International Yoga Day on the 16th of June, and now we've just made a whole month thing out of it. It's Yoga Month! And this is a video about yoga and pasta. Yoga and pasta, because yoga and pasta are completely two related topics. That's yoga. This is yoga. Twisting your body like these, flowing with it, flowing into the move. If there's a pasta that you want to be twirling like, you want to be twirling like this pasta. Yoga is about mindfulness. Now what makes this pasta really awesome is it's also quite mindful. Before I get like all pasta happy, I first need to go do the yoga. Okay. Hungry. Yoga was fun. Hashtag body goals. Hashtag can't do a handstand. Doesn't matter. I can eat and I can make pasta. We're gonna make a healthy, creamy broccoli pasta after that mindful, breathing, oxygenated yoga class. Step 1 for the creamy broccoli pasta sauce. Broccoli, which I'm gonna steam right now. Step 2 for the pasta. Remember, for one serving, it's only half a cup. That is the portion size requirement. Okay, I need to go get some more pasta. Where can I get this? In Johannesburg, Fresh Earth in Emmarentia, or at a wellness warehouse, or the Linden, you have the Fresh Grocer, Jackson's. Otherwise, you can get online. Faithful to Nature. Easy as that. Now we're gonna add a bit of almond breeze milk. Such a beautiful day, and I'm feeling all mindful after my yoga. I have my mindful food in the sun, in the garden. Love this winter. Good morning, we are at International Yoga Day at the Wanderers. It is crispy, it is fresh, it is nippy, it is wonderful. There are so many people. I just parked my car here on the sports field, as you can see, and now I'm going to go to the entrance, registration, meet Shayna, and get our yoga fun on. Steven, you're amazing. Thank you for the great session.
Well, my intention was to spread yoga to as many people as possible. Even people who haven't tried it before or don't have money to try yoga and who are a little bit scared of it. I wanted to invite absolutely everybody here together to just have fun and practice a bit of yoga.
Yoga, Stephen, and was really beautiful, and we are calm and centered. Other people have told us that we're noticeably more calm and centered. So obviously yoga has been very good for our mindfulness and our calmness. Namaste.